Welcome to Module 1. This module covers the core enhancements that were made in Data ONTAP 7.3. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify the new auto-support features of Data ONTAP 7.3. You will also be able to describe how Data ONTAP 7.3 supports SNMP version 3 and how aggregate space is calculated without including parity drives. Starting with Data ONTAP 7.3, auto-support now contains quota information. Including quota information in auto-support allows NetApp to improve our response to customers who call support with quota-related questions. Currently, customers need to gather quota information and send it to support. The process of gathering the information can delay support for several days. Now, quota information will already be sent to NetApp with the auto-support message. Quota information in auto-support also allows NetApp to store quota statistics that's useful for analysis. Quota information is included in auto-support as a quotas.gz attachment with a naming format that includes the date timestamp and the attachment name. The quota files are scrambled to protect the private information of our customers. By the way, this feature does not include vFiler quota configuration. The auto-support attachment contains 3 pieces of quota information. They are a collection of quota statistics, the quota configuration file, which is known as the etc quotas file, and the user mapping file, which is the etc usermap.cfg file. The statistics collected are from the counter manager, which can give statistics on every facet, logical and physical, of a NetApp storage system. The counters mentioned here are a subset of what is commonly known as CM stats. Data ONTAP 7.3 ASUP includes backup log information. This allows NetApp support to provide a faster response to customers with backup-related support calls. The backup log information in auto-support includes information about the time the backup took for each phase of the backup, as well as file history statistics. If Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP, is enabled in Data ONTAP, SNMP managers can query a storage system's SNMP agent for information, which is specified in the storage system's MIBs or MIB2 specification. In response, the SNMP agent gathers information and forwards it to the SNMP managers using the SNMP protocol. The SNMP agent also generates trap notifications whenever specific events occur and sends these trap notifications to the SNMP managers. The SNMP managers can then carry out actions based on information received in the trap notifications. For diagnostic and other network management services, Data ONTAP provides an SNMP agent compatible with SNMP version 1, version 2C, and version 3. This agent supports the MIB2 specification and the MIBs of your storage system. Management Information Base, or MIB file, is a textual description of SNMP objects and traps. Therefore, the Data ONTAP MIB files document the SNMP capabilities of the Data ONTAP version running on your storage system. MIBs are not configuration files. That is, values in the MIBs are not read by Data ONTAP, and changes to the MIB files do not affect SNMP functionality. Data ONTAP provides 2 MIB files, a custom MIB and an Internet SCSI MIB. Data ONTAP also provides a short cross-reference between object identifiers, or OIDs, and object short names in the /etc/MIB/traps.dat file. This is useful for creating user-defined traps. By the way, the latest versions of the Data ONTAP MIBs and traps.dat files are available online at the Now site. However, the versions of these files on the Now site do not necessarily correspond to the SNMP capabilities of your Data ONTAP version. They're provided to help you evaluate SNMP features in the latest Data ONTAP release. The 2 MIBs that were mentioned, the custom and the iSCSI, the So the custom MIB, this provides detailed information about many aspects of storage system operation. And the custom MIB, or NetApp.mib, is located in the etsy/MIB directory on the storage system. The iSCSI MIB provided with Data ONTAP is a part of the draft standard to SMI version 1, which is Structure of Management Information version 1, in accordance with RFC 2576. The storage system's SNMP agent responds to queries and sends traps to network management stations. The storage system's SNMP agent does not have write privileges. That is, it cannot be used to take corrective action in response to a trap. You can optionally do any or all of the following. You can provide courtesy information about the storage system's location and contact personnel. Set SNMP access privileges. You can restrict SNMP access on a host or interface basis. Specify SNMP communities. Community strings function as group names to establish trust between SNMP managers and clients. Data ONTAP imposes the following limitations on SNMP communities. There can be no more than 8 communities allowed, and only read-only communities are supported. You can also enable query authentication. You can enable SNMP agent authentication failure traps, which are generated when the agent receives queries with the wrong community string. The traps are sent to all hosts specified as trap hosts. And you can create and load user-defined traps. You can also view current SNMP and trap configuration. To configure the SNMP agent on your storage system, you must do all of the following steps. There are 3. First, verify that SNMP is enabled. SNMP is enabled by default in Data ONTAP. Second, enable the traps. The traps are disabled by default. And 3, specify one or more network management station host name or names. No traps are sent unless at least one SNMP management station is specified as a trap host. Trap notifications can be sent to a maximum of 8 network management stations. SNMP can be configured from the command line using the SNMP command or via filer view. To enable